channel. I hope you are doing great and enjoying your days, and I don't know what to say in this video, so let's start our video. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. And I'd like to know what you are doing today's and nowadays, or if you have anything to share about the videos, about the content I'm creating, or anything you wanna share, you can leave your comment in this video. So yeah, we were talking about the business insurance policies, and the topic we are gonna cover in this video is the business income coverage. Okay. Business income coverage compensate for the loss income if a company has to vacate its premises due to disaster related damage that is covered under the property insurance policy. Business income insurance covers the profits the company would have earned based on the financial records and the disasters not occurred. Policy also cover operating expenses such as electricity that continue even though business activities have come to a temporary halt. Okay, so these were the some basic ideas which are given in this topic. And next is the extra income coverage. It says reimburses the company for a reasonable sum of money that it spends over and above normal operating expenses to avoid having to shut down during the restoration period. This is the information giving in the extra income coverage. And next you are going to see uh, contingent business interpretation insurance. Okay, interruption insurance, sorry. um, Protects a business owner's earnings following physical loss or damage to the property of a insured suppliers or customers as opposed to its own property. Damage due to flood, earthquake, or acts of terrorism are generally not covered by standard business property insurance, but it can be purchased through various markets. So these are some of the major ideas. That says that there are some restrictions in this policy, and you will not get paid for some kind of damages that are occurred. So next we are going to see the protection against flood damage. Okay, and in this we'll be seeing that property insurance policies may usually exclude coverage for flood damage. There is no payment for the flood damage if your property is destroyed, or there is some damage to your property. This policy will not cover, as this is also mentioned already mentioned in the policy. Businesses should find out from their local government office or commercial bank whether their business is located in a flooded zone and whether their location has been flooded in the past. Okay, so if you want to know whether the policy will cover the loss or not, you'll have to contact your local government office or commercial banks. They will tell you that what this policy is about and what kind of loss it will cover. So that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. See you in next video. Goodbye.